What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Woodstock, back with another video. And on today's video, guys, I'm gonna be doing my dash, man. I ordered a new dash cover from Dash Skins, man. So I will be out here doing that, but I'm gonna turn this camera around for you guys, so y'all can pretty much get a look at my dash and how it is right now, man. As y'all can see, the dash cracked pretty bad. I mean, you got a little cracks going on right here. You got this big one that's running from there to here. And you also have one over here about his airbag. And I'm gonna be attacking this here today, guys, man. I'm gonna be finally getting it right, man, cause it's an eyesore, man. I play my music, you know, all this shit go rattling and stuff like that, and pretty much from the outside of the car looking in, man, it looked raggedy when you look through the front glass. So today I'm gonna be finally getting this out the way, guys. So like I say, man, if you're new to the channel, just watching the videos, I appreciate it if you drop down, leave your boy a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. And as y'all can see, man, it's pretty bad. And right here, guys, I'm not sure, but I'll be pulling this here off. But I believe this, like, they had something like when it was like used on the force, but I don't know what it is right there. Some Velcro, but it's easy to come off. I'll be pulling that off, man. But just thought that I'd show y'all my dashboard and how it look right now. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna grab this here box and I'm gonna show y'all this dash cover. All right, guys, so I'm back with the box. As y'all can see, the Dash Skins box, we got you covered. www.dashskin.com is where y'all can find it, but I will have the link in my description, guys. And this is the actual dash cover that I went with. I mean, they have some on there, guys, that's like 80 bucks. But after looking at the reviews and reading the reviews and things, I chose not to go with that one, guys. This one was a little bit more. I paid like maybe, don't quote me, I want to say I paid maybe like $160 for it. But I'll pull it up out this plastic and I'll show y'all, you know, the reason why I went ahead and paid that little extra for it, guys. Pulled it up out this plastic, and as y'all can see, the texture's supposed to match everything else, guys. So that's the reason that I went with this here one, because of the texture. The other ones is just smooth black, and I kind of wanted to keep that OEM look. So yeah, that's the reason that I went with the shit one. But like I said, guys, you know, go with whatever that fits you, you know. But like I say, guys, this here one is it's like 100 and something bucks, and the other ones is like 80. So it's up to y'all, man. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test fit it real quick into this truck, and we're gonna see how well it fit. So you guys bear with me right now, because I'm working by myself. So let me go ahead and get this here thing test fitted in here, and I'll cut it back on and show you guys how it fit. All right, so as you guys can see, I just basically just slid it into my truck, and I'm just trying to see how well it's gonna fit, guys. I might can do it with one hand. All right, guys, I'm back. So y'all can see, man, I just did a little test fit, and as y'all can see, it fit fairly decent, man. All the cutouts and stuff. It's aligned the way that they're supposed to be. Yeah, I can see it actually working, guys. And like I say, I just dry test fitted this here, man. Just to basically get an idea of how it's gonna go. And as y'all can see, man, I mean, and this is what I was talking about. If y'all can see the texture right there and the texture right here, that's why I went with this here one. So I can kind of keep an OEM style look, man. But y'all can see they got the cutout for your VIN number. And it's pretty cut out. Fairly decent, man. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna pretty much start to get to installing this here thing, man. So I done got everything scuffed down. And I'm not worrying about this here. So what I'm gonna do next, the directions say to soak that tube up in some warm water for like 5 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. While that's soaking, I'm gonna grab my alcohol and the rag, and I'm gonna wipe this here down real good, get all that lint, dust, and debris from off there. So I'm gonna do this here while that adhesive, I guess, getting a little soft in some water. So I got my my adhesive sitting in this warm water right now, like recommended, guys. So now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking my little rag with my alcohol, and I'm just gonna wipe this dash down. Okay, guys, so y'all can see I done prepped it real good. I done wiped it down. She's pretty clean. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wipe the back of this this dash cover off, because I scuffed it down. So I'm gonna wipe the back of that off with my alcohol, and I'll start applying it. But y'all gotta keep in mind, guys, after you apply it, you're gonna need something with some weight to kind of hold it down. So y'all keep that in mind. Whether y'all wanna use like paper, sandbags, etc. But you're gonna need something to hold it down. And them shims that they supply with the dash cover, you're gonna use those on the side. But I'll show y'all guys. So I'm back over here, and I'm about to get this here wiped down. All right, guys, so I done pulled my tube out of that warm water. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a little bit of adhesive right here, cause this like my bigger crack. So I'm gonna line some adhesive up right here, and then I'll go start aligning the adhesive up on the back of the dash cover, guys. So y'all can see how I did it. I just went in there and put a bead over my crack. So when I go ahead over here and I start applying my adhesive on here, guys, and once I lay it, I won't have to worry about no low spots. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I done got all my adhesive laid down, and I'm gonna start to put it back up in this here truck. So as y'all can see, I finally got it in. So you see these pieces, guys. You wanna put these pieces like this. I want to line these pieces up on the side, and that way it's gonna hold it in. But so y'all can see, guys, man, it looking real good. Got a little glue on my but I'll clean that up in a hot second. So yeah, let me let me make sure everything right, guys, and I'll cut y'all back on with the final product. All right, y'all, so I finally got finished. I done put my little shims on the side, and I done weighed it down the best that I can. So I'm gonna let this just sit overnight, and I'll come back out here first thing in the morning, take it off, and see how it look, guys. So up until then, like I told y'all, I went with the one that got like OEM textures in it, guys. The link will be in the description. Y'all drop your boy a like, comment, make sure that y'all subscribe to the channel. But it's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, logging on, signing off. Everybody have a positive day. Y'all remember, positive lives spread positive vibes, guys. And so till the next video, we'll catch y'all. Let's go. Baby,